How to turn on or turn off Samsung keyboard Mojitok stickers on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on General Management. After that, we then scroll down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Next, go down, then tap on Suggest Stickers while typing. And then we go down and tap on Mojitok Stickers. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on Mojitok Stickers. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.